How to change caption language on YouTube app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to change caption language on YouTube app. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch YouTube on your device. Navigate to the profile icon once you're on the home page of YouTube. Tap gear icon at top right. Now select the captions option under video and audio preferences section. And after that, make sure you turn on the button for caption preferences. Here you got the option of language, select that, and a menu will pop out where you can easily choose any convenient language for your caption. For me, it's English, so I haven't changed right now. You can easily look at the preview at top of your screen. You can even change the caption style and text size. With this, you can successfully change caption language on YouTube app. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment.